Hi, if you struggle with any sort of disordered eating, or if you feel broken in your body, I simply want to give you a message today that you are not broken. You are not broken. You might feel like you are, and feelings are based upon stories that you're telling yourself in your mind that could potentially be based on things that have happened to you. And we don't know everything. We can't possibly perceive everything. And so I am so empathetic that you have come up with the story that you're broken, because you're not. You're doing the best that you can. And maybe how you're choosing to see your food as painful or as a crutch to get through the pain, or if you're seeing your body as the enemy, it is very painful and very hard. And I want to be an advocate for you that that is not true, and to find some support and a space that allows you to feel and speak some of these things, have a really safe conversation about some of these things, and know that you are worthy of that space and that time. And it is possible to respect